Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open the Instagram mobile app while signed in. Once done, go to your profile and tap the three-line menu, then Settings and Privacy. Next, choose Account. You'll see posts you've liked. Tap it to load a chronological grid of images you've double-tapped. This view shows only posts you've liked, so make sure you're on the mobile app, not the web. If the list is long, Instagram will load more as you scroll, so be patient while thumbnails populate. Once the liked post grid is open, scroll to scan thumbnails and tap any image to view the full post and caption. If you want to remove a like, tap the heart. If you want to keep a post, tap the bookmark to save it to a collection so you can find it later. There's no native search within liked posts, so visually scan or proactively save important posts. Also consider using Instagram's Save Collections to group favorites. This prevents losing track if you accidentally unlike something. To finish, unlike unwanted items, save ones you want to keep or screenshot for offline records, then exit. If you don't see posts you've liked, make sure your app is updated, clear the app cache, or reinstall the app. This resolves most UI changes. If that still fails, request your account data via Settings right arrow Security right arrow Download data to get a record of likes. One tip: avoid third-party apps that claim to show likes. They risk your login security.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.